I'm going to show you how to make a link on your wiki because some of the tutorials I've provided are from a few years ago when making a link was pretty much the same process, but it looked different, and that can definitely throw you off if you're trying to figure out how to do it. So I'm going to make a few links here. I've just picked a random wiki page on which to do it. You could do the same thing, by the way, in the navigation bar. If you click Edit, you can put your cursor down here and you can type things, and it works the same way as what I'm going to show you here on this page. So in this case I'm going to edit on this page, not over here. Click Edit, and first I'm going to create a link to a page. Actually, I'm going to just start fresh. I'm going to create a page called Design Standards Plus. I am, of course, repeating what you see typed there, but just as an example. It's italicized. It doesn't matter if it's italicized or not. It just happens to be that way. I'm going to unitalicize it just to, take away some of that flair and not add to the confusion. So I've typed that. I've highlighted the words. I'm going to click Link. And then these are the options that we get when we want to create a page or a file. I want to make a page or a file. I want it to keep the text that I typed. This is what I typed, Design Standards Plus. It automatically throws that in as the link text. All that means is that's what displays back here where I typed it. It just replicates that here. But you could actually change that text here if you wanted to. It would also change it back on the page, I think. You can decide, do I want the user, when they click this link that's going to be here, do we want it to pop open into a new window? I generally don't do that on pages that are, I don't do that when I'm creating links on the wiki that link to another page on the wiki. Here we see that this page is going to link to this same wiki. So this is an internal link. And the name of the page will be Design Standards Plus. It'll be the same thing as what I had typed. I could change that too if I wanted to. I generally like everything to be the same. I want the name of the link to be the same as the page name. But sometimes you decide that you want it to be different, and that's up to you. But if you wanted to change it, you can click that, and then you would type it here. I'll just type new page name as an example. And then you would hit enter. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stick with the same thing. And then I'm going to click add link. And that's created a link to the page called Design Standards Plus. That's how we link to an internal page. I'll make another page just for fun. I'll call it Krabby Patty. I'll highlight it, I'll hit link, and then I'll hit add link. And that's how you do it very quickly. I'll hit save so we can see what we've made now. On the Krabby Patty page, we can click on it. You see that's the page name, and you can edit it, type something on it, save it. Going back to this page, let's make one more link. Let's make a link to an external website. This is not on the wiki. I'm going to link to Google. I'm going to highlight, hit link. Now I select web address. I like this to pop out in a new window, and then you add the address here. And hit add link and save. And because it's an external, it pops out to another page, a new tab or a new window. You see that little arrow there. Alright, so hopefully that helps you to see more clearly how you make links on the wiki. Thank you.